Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sir Saleem, and in this video we are going to discuss about last minute tips and tricks for solving gender studies paper. तो सबसे पहले you have to beautify your presentations like other papers. उसमें you have to add a number of headings, subheadings with the inclusion of introduction and conclusion and graphs and charts and diagrams wherever necessary. Another point is that you need to use gender studies jargons. Just like we taught you to use IR jargons, वैसे ही आपने gender studies के jargons भी use करने हैं. For instance, you have to use the word patriarchy, then instrumental role, expressive role, and then you have to use the word gender sensitive media and gender neutral language. तो आप लोगों ने ये सारे words जब अपने पेपर में use करके आने हैं to show the examiner that you are solving gender studies paper and not current affairs one. फिर next हम बात करते हैं that is use of names and feminist. आपने feminist का नाम use करके आने हैं. For instance, you have to use the name of Abigail Adams, मैरी वुllstonecraft, जडिथ बटलर, मलाला यूसुफजई. तो ये जो सारी फेमिनिस्ट हैं जो हमने अपने कोर्स में पढ़ी थी, आप टाइम एंड अगेन उसको अपनी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स बिल्ड करते के दौरान उसको ऐड करेंगे. फिर नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट रेफरेंसेस. जस्ट लाइक आई हैव टॉट यू इन क्लास इज़ वेल, आपने अपने जेंडर स्टडीज़ के रेफरेंसेस को जनरल रेफरेंसेस से अलग करना है. You have to use theories, you have to use types of feminists, you have to use wave of feminism as your reference whether the examiner is asking or not. For instance, let me give you an example. You are making a point that we need to eliminate patriarchy to raise women's status in society. तो आप लिखेंगे this argument has also been supported by radical feminists. If you are justifying the violence, any type of violence, for instance, physical violence is done by society on female, this argument has also been supported by the theories of frustration, aggression in gender studies. तो इस तरह करके जो है वो आपने gender studies में अपने references को use करना है. That's all from my side. I wish all of you good luck for your exams.